Hello everyone, iOS 14 got released and many had already updated your phone with the iOS 14. So it's packed with many new features that could have been released a few years back itself. So anyways, today I'll be showing you guys some of the features you can check out. I'm Alex and welcome to Missing Tech channel. Let's get started. The first notable update iOS 14 gives us is to arrange your home screen with widgets, and you also get to use the app library instead of folders of apps. So if you have tons of pages of apps, iOS 14 allows you to hide those pages. Long press on the home screen and enter jiggle mode and select or deselect which all pages you require. Unselecting the pages doesn't delete the apps, it just hides the pages in the background. It's better to hide those pages since the app library already has categorized the apps for you, which you will be able to use instead of app pages. If you want your new apps to be downloaded directly to the app library, go to the settings and click on the home screen where you can select the app library only. If you want a list of apps, scroll down and you will find all your apps listed alphabetically, and you can search for any app from the search bar. Another great feature is the widget which you can add on your home screen. For that, long press the home screen and tap the plus icon on the top where you can add the widgets. Weather, calendar, reminders are few widgets that can be used which would allow us to see information without opening the app. Widgets can have 3 sizes and take up less or more spaces depending on which one you choose. Along with this, you can stack multiple widgets together which you can access by scrolling. For this, you can long press on the screen and drag the widgets on top of each other. Apple has a smart stack which groups together automatically. However, if you want to group it your way, then it will be better you customize it yourself. Another feature is having a new button on the back of your iPhone. To get this, go to Settings, tap on Accessibility, tap on Touch where you will get the back tap feature. There are 2 options, double and triple tap. You can select which shortcut you require depending on the tap option. iOS 14 allows you to set your default browser and email depending on the app you prefer. Like me, if you are a Google Chrome user instead of Safari, and if you want to be redirected to a Chrome browser when you click on a link, then go to the specific app from the settings and set the app as default browser. If you have an AirPod and you have multiple Apple devices, then the AirPod automatically switches between devices depending on which one you're using right now, without you having to manually make changes in the Bluetooth settings. Apple includes picture-in-picture for videos and FaceTime calls. While watching video or FaceTiming, you can swipe up. Instead of closing the app, the video will enter into the video player that plays in the background when you can do anything else with your phone. Another feature is that you can get perfect shapes in the Notes app by using the shape recognition system. Hold your finger at the end of the shape you draw, and in a split second, you will get the shape you want. You also get to search the emojis from the emoji section where you can search for the emoji you want instead of scrolling all the way. Apple also has introduced a few privacy features, like when your camera is on, you will find a green dot on the top right of the screen. Another feature is the approximate location. Most of the apps already use your location. However, if you don't want apps to access your exact location, which might lead to finding your home address, then you can easily switch to an approximate location. Go to Settings, tap on Privacy, tap on Location, and you can unselect precise location from whichever app you don't want to reveal your exact location. That's all from me today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech news and reviews. See you all soon. Stay safe.